So to do it, you want to go to Google search bar and then type in for YouTube NFL Sunday Ticket, and you want to click the link that says tv.youtube.com. Just click on it, and here you can just choose the package that says NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube, not YouTube TV. Right here you can just click on Get It Now. This way, you don't have to subscribe to YouTube TV to watch the NFL game. After that, you will be transferred to youtube.com, the NFL channel itself, and then you want to click on the Get NFL Sunday Ticket right here. A small window will appear, and if you scroll down a bit, you can also add the NFL Red Zone right here for your comfort. And then you can just scroll down again, and then choose a payment option, either to pay it per month or to pay it upfront. Just click on one of them. And here at the right side, as you can see, you can just click on the student membership and then click on explore. If you don't find it here, you can just scroll down right here on the left side. But sometimes this is not showing up on the desktop version. Then you want to make sure that you are logging in using your own account. And if it's not appear again, you want to try and doing it on your phone or do it on the browser inside YouTube application. And keep in mind, you don't have to pay for YouTube Premium to watch it. You can just pay for NFL Sunday Ticket. And after that, you can just click on Explore and click on Verify and Check Out. Click on Continue. And then right here, you can verify your student status and then fill out all of the options that was needed. And then click on Verify My Student Status. After that, the discount will automatically be given. And then, after you buy the ticket, to access and watch it, you just need to go to youtube.com or open up your YouTube application, either on your phone, your laptop, your computer, or even your TV, and then signing into your account. Keep in mind to use the very same account that you just buy the NFL Sunday Ticket with discount prices on any devices when you're logging in. And after you open your YouTube, on the search bar, you can type in for NFL and then go to NFL channel like this one. Then couple hours prior the game start, you can just go to this channel and the live game will be there. Keep in mind, to get this bundle, you need to be 18 years or older and then enrolled as a student at the college or university and then verified by Share ID. If you have any question about this topic, you can just comment down below and I will try to assist you the best I can do. And that's how to get NFL Sunday Ticket with student plan for lower prices or discount. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.